Okay, so the last of the launch in Levens is basically going to feature three panelists that I'm going to moderate. One is, the first person is Mel Exon, who is co-founder and managing partner of BBH Labs, based in London. Then there's Conrad Lisko, who heads mobile and emerging platforms at RGA New York. And we have Peter Parks, who leads the social media function for Skype from London as well. And they all bring very different perspectives to the panel, because what the panel is going to be about is basically how the current trend in the advertising and marketing industry, from sort of campaigns, one-off campaigns, to more involved and valuable sort of platforms and communities, is making the industry sort of completely change the way they work. So we have Mel, who comes from a traditional agency, originally BBH, or Bar Global Hegarty, is obviously one of the world's biggest traditional agencies, but she's now in their innovation wing. She founded the innovation wing. So she has the experience of coming from a background that is traditionally not used to working that much with digital, but now is very much so. And BBH Labs is obviously spearheading the digital way of working and innovation and all that within the agency. Conrad obviously works with RGA. He works with huge clients like Nike. They've worked together on Nike Plus, on a lot of Walmart projects as well. And obviously with mobile and emerging platforms, he knows exactly what is going on in the industry there. And Peter Parks obviously comes from the client side, which is a very sort of interesting perspective to take, because everyone, especially in the agency world, a lot of people like to think that clients are fussy and this and that. So Peter can give the perspective of from the other side, how does it look? What he looks for in an agency when they're hiring agencies, and what he thinks are the key issues that he faces as a client with the emerging technology landscape. It's an issue that lots of people have said they're interested in, and absolutely. I'm planning to really push the panelists and sort of go out of their comfort zone. They've said they're willing to do that as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.